Hello everyone, this is a prelude to the Merging Google Sheets for a Total Attendance training. In this, I'm going to show you about organization before we get started with our module. First thing is that every time after you complete a Google Meets, it will automatically send you a report like this. What I have done to make things easier is within my Google Drive, I have added a new folder, and in that folder, I have attendance reports. So once I've added the folder, when I receive the email, I can then click to add to drive. And from there, I can choose where I would like it to be moved to. After you've done that, what you want to do is go back to your Google Drive, open up that attendance folder, and go down and select the document. And what you have to do is you have to open it with Google Sheets. And when you have done that, then it will create a Google Sheet for you to use, and this will make it easier for total attendance using SheetGo. Also within SheetGo, please go onto SheetGo and then also create an account. This account can be free. It will probably prompt you multiple times to have the paid version, but you can completely use the free version. So that's our preview or prelude to the introduction of merging Google Sheets for total attendance. The next module would be module 1, which is actually how we merge.